Hey everybody, Robin here. Today I wanted to try something I found on Pinterest. It's a kind of like a Play-doh, a silky Play-doh. And all you do is, it says you take 1 part conditioner, which I've got right here, to 2 parts of cornstarch, which right there. I'm going to do a little bit of a twist on it. I'm going to give it a little bit of food coloring, and I'm going to give it a little bit of lavender scent to kind of make it a calming Play-doh. So, alright, I am going to start with the cornstarch first. So we'll put it in the bowl. So I'm going to use a measuring cup so I can measure it out exactly. So I'm going to do 2 cups of the cornstarch. Good enough. Roughly 2. Good enough for me. Alright, now the 1 part air conditioner. Oops. Now this stuff already has a scent to it. It's waterfall mist. But I don't want my stuff smelling like waterfall. Alright. Good enough. So, I'll just empty that all in there. Alright, I'm going to stir it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to add my food coloring. I choose to do purple because lavender goes with purple. So I'm just going to take a little bit. I don't want to do a lot. So let's see if that works. Well, I'm not seeing color change anywhere. Let's get a little bit more. There we go. Okay, I've got it mostly mixed up, but it's not to the right consistency. It's still pretty, I don't know, pretty gooey. So, it said on the website, not all conditioners are the same. So, right now I'm going to add a little bit more of the cornstarch. Not too much. And then, at this point, I'm going to add the lavender smell, just to give it that pretty calming smell. So I'm gonna stir this up. Okay, I got it mostly mixed now. As you can see, it's starting to form into that. So I'm gonna empty it out onto the table and kind of get that over there. So, kind of not completely the consistency I want, because it's still like that. And it's sticking to me. So, let's add a little bit more cornstarch. Just a little bit more. Don't want nothing to go overboard. Alright. I got the dough to my liking, the consistency I like. It's still sticky, still sticking to the table, so Probably put some newspaper down, or if you don't mind cleaning your table, which I don't care. I always clean my table. But yeah, definitely fun to play with for either an adult or a kid. I mean, I think this would be a really good thing to play with while you're relaxing. I will give you a link down below for the website I got this on from Pinterest. Like this video up if you want to see more videos from Pinterest. Subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.